Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Your device must support spatial audio and have current firmware or drivers. Once done, make sure the playback source actually carries spatial metadata, otherwise the feature won't engage. Next, verify your connection method. Use USB-C, HDMI 2.1, or a supported Bluetooth codec for best results. Doing this first avoids chasing settings that can't work. You're eliminating compatibility issues, so the troubleshooting steps that follow are meaningful and effective. Now configure the software layer. Open your operating system sound settings or the device maker's app and enable spatial audio explicitly. Then choose the correct output device and set its format to the bit depth and sample rate recommended by the hardware. Mismatched formats can disable spatial rendering. Also, turn off audio enhancements like EQ, virtual surround, or exclusive mode that override spatial processing. This sequence ensures the pipeline from software to hardware remains unaltered, so finish by testing. Play a verified spatial audio track and listen for clear directional cues. Move your head if head tracking is supported. If spatial sound fails to initialize, restart the audio service or reboot the device to clear locked processes. If problems persist, reinstall drivers or factory reset audio settings as a last resort because corrupted profiles can block spatial decoding. One troubleshooting tip: if audio works in stereo but not spatial, recheck the source metadata and connection method. That's usually the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.